I grew up in a family of farmers. Together with my siblings, we grew up with a simple life raised by our lovable and hardworking parents. They worked very hard being farmers just to send us in school and finish the course my older sisters and brothers wanted. I'm very proud with the kind of family I have. Simple, yet rich with love from our parents. My tatay, who is a symbol of strength in our family, works tediously in our farm and palayan. My nanay, who is a symbol of light in our home, works as a farmer and a businesswoman, for in fact, my nanay was able to put up a business out of organic product. I really love my parents so much. Today, I will show you the process in making my nanay's herbal essentials.
Napiangan ko nga sakit kayo ang bukton muna ako iban niya sa pag-auma hindi ko kayo nawa siya ba.
And I am very proud that I am son of a farmer because I grew up with a sense of appreciation to the importance of organic farming, which pushed me to have this advocacy to encourage the younger generation to engage into organic farming. I believe that if we teach our younger generation the value of organic farming, the future of our agriculture will stay strong and high, thus providing fresh and safe food to the family and to the community without degrading the environment. In Mahaplag, we are thankful that the Department of Agriculture continues to empower rural farming and puts forward a healthy agriculture in our local.
Organic farming mo kasi ang pag-uma sa iyo ka akong diin, imo sabton kung isang inyeka. Ano ng organic farming, dili siya mo gamit ng mga chemical, mga pestisidyo na kung diin makamatay ni ini. For example, kanang natin mga microorganism na mo-decompose sa atong yuta.
Nga mo pang-spray sa mga og, gamit na mga yawan, sili, kanang sumping, madasig ba po ng uban. Ang pagdasig sa kabatambunan na aman sa katigwangan.
As far as millennials are concerned, we always say this famous line, food is life. But for the farmers and food producers, food is their life's work. To all youth out there, let us put in mind that agriculture needs us. We don't want our generation to be starved. So, the hope is within us. We should stand together with the Department of Agriculture, the Department of Education, and to all the different local institutions. We can stand and fight for a sustainable agriculture of our future. My name is Kenneth Loreto Rimanes, a proud son of a farmer and an advocate of organic farming, proud to represent Mahaplag National High School, San Isidro.